new channel and a new video, and we're on the M6 and we're going south, and we're off to Stourport on Severn, Lickhill Manor Caravan Park, because it's Rob Lynn's charity weekend, a race against dementia. And how many cats have we got?
0.
0. We've left them at home because I said to Tommy, I said, are you coming with us? And he said, no. He said, I'm going to stay at me house. Didn't he? Get it? Me house.
Don't get it.
Tracey don't like any of my jokes. She said the crap. But the most important thing is I find them funny, innit?
Yeah, just laugh at yourself.
So, if you hear a lot of rattling in back, it's all Tracey's bottles of beer, because she's gone mad and bought about 50 million bottles of Krabbies. Whatever it is it cider or something?
If you have a look at back at van, you won't see the crap that he's brought. So, if he thinks he's bringing this much crap every time we go camping, I'm having a bigger van with a garage, because I was just taking over the whole of the van, buying crap.
We'll show you what crap we bought when we get there.
It's rubbish.
Right, on that note, we'll catch you in a bit.
It's sunshiny.
It is sun shining, isn't it?
Well, sunshine.
The sun is out. Tracey's brought a bikini, so stay tuned.
I don't even think I brought any shorts. Somewhere out at home.
Right, we'll see you in a bit.
Bye.
Hey up, we've landed, and I've got myself a beer because Tracey's got one.
But Tracey's not. Tracey's on Ironborough.
Yeah, crabbies it is. She's got crabs, and we've managed to park at the side of our friends. We've got Paul and Jane there, and we've got Alan and Carol over there. And I'll just show you the secret weapon. We've got a cool box there. Tracey's mad on ninja stuff. I'll come round there and show you. Madness, all nonsense she keeps buying. Look at that. She's bought a Ninja Frost cool box thing, whatever that is. What's the point of that? For keep her beers cool. And yeah, we enjoyed it last year on the river in our kayaky thing what we bought. So we bought this. It's a 3.2, no it's not, it's a 2.3 metre boat and a little Suzuki 2.5 horsepower engine. So we'll have a bit of fun with that tomorrow.
I think this is first video of the day where we're doing our own split the G, because we've missed it on the field, down the bottom of the field. So we're making up our own as we go along, and we've met another couple, so here goes.
Do you like Guinness? Yeah. It's a rugby. Oh, Sharon's alright, she can knock that back. I normally have black with it, but I'll let it go tonight.
We went down for split the G because he said 7
told
o'clock.
Right, so where am I going down to?
Yeah. Well, we've only got us up that much, so maybe what's right.
Well,
Why
no,
don't
where
you just
should I
go
go?
to that line?
You've got to let these settle.
Well, that's not a lot, is it? So
Let them
I'll go
settle.
to there.
Can you down it in one?
Whoa.
That's what I'm going to do.
Oh, yeah. Are you ready?
You
So I'm
We're splitting
going,
the
to there, okay. Ready, steady.
Go.
split the G.
Thank you.
It's messy.
Hey, no double drinking, no double drinking.
Bring it out. I don't believe it. Oh, not enough. You've done alright.
Oh,
You've done best. Too much.
None of them.
know.
Andrew won.
Are we ready? So what are we doing now? Are we down it?
They're making it up as they go
We're
along.
down it. 3. Oh,
Hey! After 3. 1, 2, 3, go.
you're a guinea keeper, you.
I see, look at
Look at it.
Hey!
High five.
You are finished.
All right.
You do it.
A very good morning, Tracy.
Morning.
She's got Kodak on, doing some bacon and sausage because I'm absolutely starving. Are you starving?
Yeah. But we hardly ate anything yesterday. We didn't film yesterday because we were with loads of friends and we just got drunk basically.
No change there then. Yeah. Didn't do a lot at all, did we? We arrived and just started boozing, didn't we? Bloody hell.
Yeah, with the lovely, beautiful Carol and Alan.
And Paul and Jane, and we
Sean, Carol and Alan.
met some new neighbours as well, didn't we? So yeah. Hey.
Tell us hello.
Hello, Carol and Alan. Hiya. Not really seen you, have we? No. Have you got the breakfast on, have you?
Got the breakfast on.
What we
breathing in.
Another lovely summer's day.
Beautiful.
Gorgeous. So yeah, look at Tracey's Ninja box. It's a beast. It's still, what's this now? Day 2, and it's still full of ice and cold. Is that your best purchase, that?
I've never used one before, but because we've got such a small fridge on man, couldn't fit all food in.
Couldn't fit all your beer in?
I'd buy one of them for the food and then use my fridge for all the beer because we're overrun with beer.
Well, it's all them crabbies you bought.
Hey, you're doing nice though.
Did you enjoy them?
Yeah, I did.
Got 2 different flavours, haven't you? Which one's best? Orange or the, what's other flavour?
Can't remember. I like them both. Not fussy me when it comes to beer.
Right, hopefully we're going to get this boat inflated in a bit and get out on that River Severn. Right, let's see if we can turn this into a boat. We have a boat.
This is going to be funny. Let's go and have a look at...
Oh, you don't have to be crazy, but it really helps.
You alright there, Paul?
Yep.
You alright there, Alan?
Yeah.
Here we go.
You find a shoe, mine.
I'm not going in the mud to find it.
Go on, Alan.
Oh, look at ducks.
Yeah, don't scare the ducks, Alan.
Look on bottom.
Like you're going to get wet.
We're not getting very far, boys.
No, it's okay, but I will just chuck my shoes if that's alright.
You find a crop.
Have
you not got it?
No, he's lost
To
it.
the water somewhere.
Oh, his other one.
Or is that oh no, that's yeah, no, we want that one.
There's one stuck in mud. Oh, Dog's got his board.
Dog will find it. Oh no, red.
Chucked it out too far for him, you cruel
Oh,
son.
look how dirty she's getting.
Oh.
Yay!
They're gonna crash.
Lola, come here, please.
Where to?
They look like right said Fred. Sure they. I'm too sexy. Way up. They're going wrong way, like they're not even steering it. They're not even steering it.
Who's supposed to be steering? Do you steer it with
Andrew,
him?
yeah, with the... Oh, he's going to crash.
Watch dogs! Oh no! Just there.
Look at him. Oh, look. Look at him.
Look at Paul.
He said he wanted to do Kate Winslet. Here they come.
Way! Where you been? Broke down. Really? Andrew will fix it. Goes quite fast, doesn't it?
Here.
Where you got in?
Whatever you want it to be.
Dog's swimming.
They got to come in so far, then I'll kick that thing up before it gets stuck in the mud.
They're just spinning round in circles. They're not going anywhere, they're just spinning in the circle. Look. For God's sake. Here's Alan.
They're coming in. They get past your face.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah. Watch the dog. Yeah. Right, boom. Alan, your shoes are up there.
We found your shoes, Alan.
Yeah, we found your shoes for you. The Crocs are here, Alan. This guy found your Crocs.
Hey.
Did you have fun, boys, or what?
Yeah. Awesome. Proper boy fun. Yeah, good.
914, blue 914. Yellow 998, yellow 998. Salmon 329, salmon 329.
I think he wants a new power band. Yeah, that's good.
Hey up, Sunday morning. Just realised we've not been doing much videoing this weekend at all. We're just going to go for a walk into Stourport on Severn. There's a boat what you can jump on and go up the river, so we've heard there's a bar, so Tracey's up for that. Look at this, what Alan bought. Absolutely brilliant. One of his bestest finds off Temu. It drains your grey waste water through a filter and into the ground. How good's that? Cheers, Alan. So let's go for a walk along the river. We was going on a boat trip, but it was a private hire, the first one, so we've got to go back at 2 o'clock. So we ended up in pub again.
The nearest pub. Yeah.
Cheers.
Pint number 1.
Cheers.
Pint number 2.
My name's Tracey. This is my second drink. Nearly finished.
So man's gone.
And we've missed the boat.
And we've missed the boat, so now we're going on the
3 o'clock.
3 o'clock. Should have gone on the 1 o'clock.
And the 2 o'clock.
But Alan fell in pub accidentally,
Did.
like they do. Third pint.
Where did you go? In the toilet. What to do? They're still playing in the toilet.
Third pint. Look, them lot have drank theirs. They've drank theirs. We're still catching up.
Amazon, what are you in the basket?
Hey, there's a bar downstairs.
Jumped on boat, where's everybody gone? I wonder where. Huh? They found a bloody bar. They've locked me in bog so I can't get out because they think they're dead funny. Are you ready?
Kissing in the back row of the movies on a Saturday night with you.
Tracey wants a yacht, so she says I've got to buy her one of them now.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
What's I doing?
Split that G. Right, we've been dragged in this pub, the Wharf, yeah? Obviously at Stourport on Severn, and they keep drinking loads of beer. And I just thought I'd show you. Up here we've got a budgie, remember them from the 70s? They had budgies, tomahawks, and then choppers, didn't they? So, yeah, not enough just having a budgie. This man's got 3 choppers up here. No, sorry, 4. Hopefully you can see them. 4 choppers up there. And how can he better that? He said, I think it's got rain, I'll bring my bike in. And so he brought his Harley Davidson in with, he's got Elvis all over it. I think he likes Elvis. How nice is that?
We've lost track. How many pints are we on? How many pints are we on?
You've only had
18.
You've only had 2.
That's your ass, Carol.
I've had 18.
Girl.
There was something wrong with here.
What a completely drunken night. We go out for a couple of drinks and this is what ends up. See you tomorrow.
Best thing ever, Carol.
Hey up, we're on way home and that's the end of another video. This weekend was too much drinking, wasn't it?
Way too much.
Tracey were drunk, so as you've just seen, all dancing. Yeah, do you want to say out, or are you too
Had a
knackered?
good weekend partying and stuff, but yeah, way too much alcohol. Weather's been gorgeous though. Had a good run of weather again.
It's been gorgeous for months and months and months.
And it's been nice meeting up with all our friends again who we've not seen.
And We
Last time we went away to...
We met Paul and Joanne.
Yeah.
Meggie.
Nice to meet you both.
Lovely couple. Lovely to meet you, yeah. And if you're still watching this video, thank you very, very much. We're on our way back to the chateau. Hey up, and can you believe it? We've had the fun bus now, nearly 3 years, and look at that, it's just clocked over from 9,999 miles to 10,000 miles. Absolutely unbelievable.
Bye.
See you later.